evening to all. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Today we are going to see 5th standard social. Before I am going to start a class, I am congratulated to you because you are all promoted for 5th standard. Okay. This is your term book. In this term book, we are going to see English, Mathematics, Science, Social Studies, GK. Now we are going to see Social Studies. Okay. This is your content page. Okay. In social subject, we are going to see 5 lessons. First lesson name is a model of the earth. Before I am going to start a class, I am going to tell something for you. In our school from pre-KG to 11th standard, admission is going on, and next academic year, it means 2023 and 24. Your books is available here. Come to school, pay your first term fees and get your books soon. At the same time, convey the admissions regarding from your friends, relatives and your well-wishers, okay? And summer seasons also started, so you have to drink lot of water and eat your vegetables and cooperate with your teacher and don't go outside of the place. What is the lesson name? A model of the earth. So in this lesson, we are going to see what is mean by globe and what is mean by oceans and what is mean by continents, okay? These things only you are going to see in this lesson, okay? See here along with latitude and longitude also we are going to see. What is mean by latitude and longitude? Latitude and longitude means is called as imaginary lines, okay? First we are going to see what is mean by globe. See the picture. This is a globe, okay? See here given a contents for you. See first line. It is not possible for all of us to go to space and view our planet. Whether if you are going to space, நம்ம ஸ்பேஸ்க்கு போனோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா we can't see our planet. நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, பிளானட்டை பார்க்க முடியாது. Okay, what is mean by planet? Planet means கோள்கள் சொல்வாங்க. In solar system we have seen 9 planets, that is called planet. However, we can use a globe to study the earth. Whether if you are going to study about the globe, study about the earth means whether if you are going to study about a earth, we have to use a globe. Then only we have to know about a shape, size and location, all of it, okay? See, a globe is a spherical or round model of the earth. So what is the shape of the globe? It is called as round or spherical, okay? It shows the shape, size and location all of the land areas and water bodies on the earth. Whether if you are going to use a globe, we can identify, we can know about a shape. What is the shape of the place? Or place irukku adanode shape enna, adu eppadi present aayirukku, at the same time adanode size enna, enga locate aayirukku, where it is located and where it is land areas and where it is water bodies. So we know about all. Whether if you are going to use a globe, it is possible, okay? If you look at a globe carefully, you will observe portions of blue and brown. See, this is a globe, So look at carefully. Some of the lines also here, okay? So these portions we are going to call blue and brown. So blue means what? Is called as water bodies. Brown means what? Is called as land areas, okay? So a large areas of blue are called bodies of water, okay? It is called oceans. Ocean means in Tamil we are going to call Perungadal. There are 5 oceans in our earth. So first one is the Pacific Ocean, second one Atlantic Ocean, third one the Indian Ocean, fourth one Southern Ocean and fifth one is Arctic Oceans. So how many oceans in our earth? We have 5 oceans. Again I am going to tell. First one Pacific Ocean, second one Atlantic Ocean, third one the Indian Ocean, fourth one is the Southern Ocean and fifth one is Arctic Ocean. First we have seen oceans, okay? Next we are going to see about continents. Continents means what? The large land masses are called continents. Land areas only we are going to call continents. See, how many continents in our earth? There are 7 continents. How many continents? 7 continents. Continents na enna kandangal appdin solvanga, okay? So there are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So how many continents in our earth? There are 7 continents. First one Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Look at the end points on the globe. So inside our earth, what are the things we have present in? So inside our earth, what are the things we have seen already we saw, okay? So next look at the end points of the globe, okay? By end points of the globe la vandu enna na irukum. The northernmost point of the earth is called North Pole. Similarly, the southernmost point of the earth is called South Pole. See, our earth considered about 4 directions, okay? North, south, west, east, okay va? So north pole we are going to call northern direction. So northern direction இருக்கக்கூடிய எர்த்தை நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்வோம், நார்த் போல் சொல்வோம். போல்னா துருவங்கள். And southern directions point we are going to call south pole. Halfway between two poles is an imaginary line called the equator. See, in between we have one line, you know, these lines we are going to call equator. Equator means is a imaginary line, okay? So the equator divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. So the central line only divides the earth into 2, okay? That means it's called hemisphere. Hemi means half. See here given, hemi means half. Therefore the equator divides the earth into 2 equal halves. So the equator only divides the earth into 2 equal parts, okay? The area north of the equator is called northern hemisphere. So northern direction இருக்கக்கூடிய parts வந்து northern hemisphere, southern partல இருக்கக்கூடியது southern hemisphere அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க, okay? See, the earth the area north of the equator is called the northern hemisphere. The area south of the equator is called southern hemisphere, okay? So north direction இருக்கக்கூடியது northern pole, southern direction இருக்கக்கூடியது south pole. The central line is called equator. The central line only divides the earth into 2, that is called hemisphere. Hemis means half, okay? So today's session is over. Today's homework is we are going to draw one circle and mention northern direction, southern direction and equator. Take a snap, send it through the app. Thank you to all.